Bircho, these days there has been a decline in employment in our village. We are not getting enough work as we used to get in the past. God knows what will happen in the coming days. Huh?
Raju, where are you going so early in the morning, eh? Looks like you've got some work to do. You're absolutely right. Huh? Are you serious? Is this really true? What is this new earning opportunity that we don't know about, eh? Raju, please tell us as well. Would you want to know more about it? Yes! Okay. So let me tell you all in detail about the earning opportunity which is available in our village. While doing our routine job, we can spend some more time in this activity to earn. We all know Bayer is leader in providing innovative farming solutions to farmers. Bayer has launched a program called Sehbhagi to provide opportunities to people like us who want to become an agro entrepreneur. Being associated with farming, we have the knowledge about seeds and crop protection solutions required on the farm. When you enroll as a Sehbhagi with Bayer, your role will be to guide the farmers in your community about the use of Bayer's products and their benefit. The company will support you in this endeavor with cutting-edge and efficient digital tools. As a Sehbhagi, you need to meet and coach the farmers in your defined geography, educate farmers for the right farming practices, promote the seed treatment,
herbicide, fungicide, and insecticide portfolio of Bayer.
install the mobile application with unique login credentials, and start booking orders instantly.
All this sounds very interesting, Raju. Can any one of us become a Sehbagi?
Anyone who is more than 18 years old and is experienced and has knowledge about agriculture across crops, segments, and products, has the ability to speak and explain, owns a smartphone, has a bank account, and who is not a government employee or associated with any other agrochemical or seed company is eligible to become a Sehbagi. This is just the perfect earning opportunity for people like you and me.
Raju, who will provide us training for this? For the required skills, I mean?
Bayer will provide all necessary training for this. Raju, but how does this process work? Firstly, you need to install the Sehbhagi mobile app in your smartphones using the login credentials after your registration. Then, when you meet the fellow farmers in the village,
In the mobile app, you can check your actual commission earned and also the potential commission that awaits you.
to get going, all you need to do is create an order in a mobile application. To generate a new order, select product from product catalog.
Select the SKU and quantity. Select on the checkbox if you are buying product for the first time.
And add to cart and proceed to checkout. Go to Order tab and enter details like farmer's name, phone number, land holding, etc.
Confirm the consent of farmer for taking the details. And take digital signature on the app.
Confirm the order and an automated order ID is generated and shared with the farmer through SMS.
The Sehbhagi can view the status of his orders under the Order tab. Every order can also be viewed in detail. If required, Sehbhagi can also modify or delete the order. Even the details of farmer can be seen. After the order is placed successfully by Sehbhagi,
The farmer now needs to show the order ID SMS to the retailer while purchasing. The retailer scans the product by Connect application to fulfill the order.
and the farmer gets the loyalty benefit for each order.
Raju, in the Sehbhagi program, can you tell us briefly what role will the retailer play?
As you all know, Sehbhagi program of Bayer empowers its associates with digital tools that makes their work easy and convenient. The retailer is a very crucial aspect of this program. His correct actions will help in closing orders smoothly and also give real-time updates to everyone connected with this program. This can be done using the mobile app called Connect. To be a part of Sehbhagi program, the retailer must enroll for the program by approaching a buyer representative.
Then he has to download the application Connect, log in using the user ID and password shared by buyer company. Then while fulfilling any order, the retailer must enter either order ID or mobile number of farmer for each transaction. Once order ID is entered, retailer can see the order details. Lastly, each pack to be sold requires the QR code to be scanned in Connect application.
When the scanning is done and order is fulfilled by the retailer, the Sehbhagi can also see the updated status of his order in his Sehbhagi app.
So this is the entire process of order creation and order conversion. Hope all of you understood it as well. Raju, what are the benefits to Sehbhagi, farmers and retailers? For every transaction, the Sehbhagi gets his commission. The farmer receives loyalty benefits. The retailer gets reward points benefit, a win-win for each stakeholder.
So, are you ready to be a part of this revolutionary business and become an entrepreneur?
Raju, I want to become a Sehbhagi just like you.
Raju, I'm going right now to get enrolled as a Sehbhagi.
What do you think? Will Harya be able to do this?
See, we need to change the way we think. If our vision is to change the face of agricultural activities in our village, and if we are willing to contribute to agricultural sector by helping our fellow farmers to select right products, then this is a very good opportunity for all of us. You are right, my friend. This is an opportunity to learn and earn, learn new things, and contribute to uplift our society.
Are you ready to become a Sehbhagi? Enroll now to be a part of this program.